Vise-Primeiru-Ministru apresenta Politika Turizmu Timor-Leste no Ekonomia Azul no Verde e enkontru komisaun Turismo Nasaun Unidas e Jakarta.
Vise-Primeiru-Ministru, Ministro Coordenador do Assunto Econômico, Ministro Turismo no Ambiente Francisco Albuadilai, alo visita trabalho ba Jakarta, onde participa em encontro conjunta badalat tolong rasinghitu si Komisaun Turismo Nasaun Unidas nian ba Asia Leste no Komisaun Nasaun Unidas ba Turismo Asia Sul nian reunião badala lima resinen si Komisaun Nasaun Unidas ba Turismo ba Asia Leste no reunião badala yang nulu si Komisaun Nasaun Unidas ba Turismo ba Asia Sul no Conferência Regional Turismo ONU nian e encontro ne Vise-Primeiru-Ministru sai panelista ho di qualia conaba Politika Turizmu Timor-Leste no ekonomia azul no Verde. Governante ne reafirma mesmo desenvolvimento turismo em Timor-Leste e a dificuldade no limitação, mas o governo Timor-Leste continua a compromisso o desenvolvimento do setor turismo no pronto a coopera com parceiro nacional no internacional a desenvolver o setor turismo e a Timor-Leste nebe sustentável.
As you say, yes, we are beautiful, beauty, natural, green and also blue economy. Your question is the challenge or the circulate of economic practice. So the challenge at first for Timor-Leste, first is plastics pollution. The second one is a limit of infrastructure. When your country we lack infrastructure, we are developing now the infrastructure facility, economic dependency on particular industry, and also awareness and engagement, and also emerging tourism industry. So how to address? First, I think promote upcycling and recycling initiative like the plastic solution. Alliance are already working to create a post-consumer plastic value chain. Expanding such a program can help reduce wastage and create economic opportunity. And the second one is the policy and investment, strengthening the policy and support the circular economic investing in infrastructure, waste management, and also recycling are crucial. Education and awareness campaign, raising awareness about the benefit of the circular economy can encourage both locals and tourists to adopt sustainable practices. The last, sustainable tourism development focuses on ecotourism, historical and cultural heritage, and attract responsible travelers, and also ensure that tourism grow aligned with the sustainability. And we protect our blue and green economy as well.
E discurso abertura encontro Vice-Primeiru-Ministru Francisco Albuadilai Mosateten, turismo no ferramenta importante para desenvolvimento, no motor essencial para desenvolvimento econômico timor-lestenian. Encontro ne participa o Nasaun membro Sira, no Associação Sira, no mos empresa Sira nebe makatua e serviço turismo nian. Turismo ONU e Estado membro hamutukatu Sira neng nulu, Associação nen, hanesan Aruba, Flandres, Hong Kong, Macau, Madeira no Porto Rico. Romalu Neves, GMN.